quick and easy fajitas on the grill. That's right. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen, yeah. I make fajitas like 12, 15 different ways. This one here is one of the easiest. This is one that you can make during the week, real short, quick. We're doing it on the gas grill. Gonna knock this sucker out and we will eat. All right, stay with me. I'll show you what we got. All right, so we're using Heaven Made Products Fabulous Fajitas. I've been using their seasonings for a while, just not on video, getting used to them, and they're pretty good. I'm gonna leave a link to them down below, Heaven Made Products. They got like 4 or 5 different blends that they've sent me, and so far I've enjoyed them. Fabulous Fajitas. This is what's going on the grill today. All right, so I'm fixing to slice up the orange, the red, and the onion. And you'll see it all cut up over on the grill. Here we go. All right, so here we go. We got some Pam olive oil spray. Woo! Look at that goodness. We're gonna throw the meat in the back. We got the veggies in the front. All right, at this point, we're going to take some Heaven Made Products Fabulous Fajita Seasoning. Links down below. We're going to get this. We'll put it on there a couple times. We're going to get it good. We'll stir it up. Spread it out. It's already smelling, y'all. It's already smelling. We're going to hit it a couple times with the fajita seasoning to make sure everything gets hit. We just let it sit there and cook. We got all 3 burners on. We're going to go and hit it again. Get it on them vegetables. This is an easy, fast cook. And you're welcome to join my channel for more cooking videos. We're going to go to the spray again. There will be a link down below to the Pam olive oil spray, which is pretty cool, and to the Heaven Made Products Fabulous Fajita. All their other seasons will be on there too. All right, so we got this flame on low. We got these on medium. Right now we're just gonna let it cook. It simmers down. We'll be back. Okay, so I'm at a point that the meat is pretty much almost done. So I turned this gas off, turned this thing, and this here, the veggies are still cooking a little bit. And the meat will finish up itself. We're just waiting for these to marbleize or whatever you want to call it. Get them soft and good. Yeah. There you go. There's that awesomeness. These have rendered down. The fajitas meat is cooked. Now we're going to plate it up on a tortilla. Alright. So what you got? It's Papa Texas. Subscribe for more videos. See ya. Hit that dinner bell. Yeah. Cooking videos on Sunday. And right now, mail call on Wednesdays.